What's up, you guys? It's girl Athena, aka Laura. Welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, if you read the title, yes, I'm going to unbox a mystery beauty box from the Crème shop, and it's Hello Kitty theme. So this is the value of $65, and since fan favorites best selling, I wonder what we're gonna get. I wonder what is in this. I'm so excited. So I had to fit the theme. I have forgot his name, but I'm wearing him. And then I have my shirt because I love my hero and I love how specially they're dressed as them. Okay, with enough being said, if you're not subscribed to me, subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos like this. And I'll know if you're following me or not, because I know 50% of you are not following me. So come and subscribe and join your girl. Okay, let's just start this video. Let's just so sorry that I look crusty, that I look musty, that I don't look great, but let's open this box because I am so excited to see what I got. My brother actually bought me this, so I don't know where he got this because I know they were selling it online, but I'm like, this is exciting. Exciting. Okay, let's see. Wow, I come with some stickers. It's so cute. Oh, stickers are super cute. There's cinnamon roll. That's the German Shepherd. I don't know his name. There's twins. Hola, Catita, Romy, and my Melody. Oh my god. Okay. You get a makeup bag. Oh my god, the color is so cute. It's like a mint color. Then you have complete cleansing. So this is Goodbye Oil Dirt Waterproof Makeup. So this is makeup wipes with a scent of watermelon. Oh my god. Okay. This is perfect because I've been needing some makeup wipes. So when I do my makeup, I don't have any makeup wipes. So if I don't like the lip color, I don't have anything to take it off. This is so perfect. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's from Hola Catita. Then we got some face mask. A lip mask. Oh my god. And then we have me time. Oh my god, we have the birthday one. Oh my god, that is so cute. And then we got Crème, a limited edition sheet mask. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute, you guys. Okay, let's see what else is in. A limited edition lip balm of Hello Kitty. This is so cute. What's the scent of this? I don't say. Rainbow This smells like rainbow syrup. That's my favorite ice cream flavor. Girl, oh my god. And then you get razors. It says Friends Over Fuzz. These are so cute. You get razors. For those times that you need to remove your brows. Oh my god. And you get hand cream. I actually have this one in the big size. This is the little travel size. Okay, what else is in here? No way. Okay, oh my god. I actually love this one. Oh my god. I'm almost running out of this. And we got it. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm almost running out of this and we have a new one. That's pretty much it. Everything else that's in here is just that. Oh my god, I just can't believe. When I saw this, I was like, is there anything else? Oh my god, oh my god, I love everything oh my god, that is amazing, you guys. I'm keeping the box. The box is so cute. Oh my god, you guys. I think this is also in the cremeshop.com. I don't know if it's sold out. Because my brother saw this one store. He told me. But I'm going to find it and try to put the link in it on the bio. But you guys, this is amazing. And guys, I really wanted to show you guys what I got. I'm amazed that I got the lotion that I use. I got the small little lotion of this one. This one's so cute. I got this. This is what I'm excited. I'm excited for these because I actually have face masks that I don't really use. Like, I'll probably do a face mask today because why not? I have other face masks of them. Like, I have these. I need to start using them. I just love that I got makeup wipes because I needed these when I do my makeup and I mess up. I don't have nothing to wipe it off. So this is great. And I get a makeup bag. Oh my god, this is even perfect. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. That has been it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my god, I just can't believe the stuff that I got. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what was your favorite out of everything that I got from this mystery box. And I'm sorry that I look crusty and musty, but yeah. And also, if you saw my last video, then you will know about the giveaway. So enter the giveaway, and the giveaway ends in the middle of June. So I forgot what day I said in the video, but yeah, that has been it. That has been me. Follow me down on all my links down below, and also comment down below an emoji of a cat. That way I know you made it this far. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Okay.